Today we're showing you a 2013 Kubota L3200 tractor, four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA524 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 300 hours on it. It's a very, very clean tractor. We had sold this tractor back in April of 2021. In the meantime, the owner died and simply obviously had no more use for the tractor, so that is the reason the tractor is back on the market. It was fully serviced just at about 333 hours, and I believe it's got about 345 or 350 on it now. Just a couple hours on the service. Tractor's been stored inside. It's a beautiful tractor. Paint's excellent on it. It's got the front grill guard here. Bucket's in nice shape. R4 tires on it. It's got the gear transmission, high, low, and reverse here on the side. 4 gears in the center. And foot throttle, brakes, clutch pedal here on the left. Got the foldable rollover bar. Tires are good back here. 3-point hitch, top link, 540 PTO. It's a very, very sharp tractor. Engine is also prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it has none of the Tier 4 emissions on it. Again, just over 300 hours. We stock approximately 150 tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.